Hi, I'm Tim with Tuft the World. I'm going to be reviewing the worst apps on the internet, which are the tufting apps. Here we go. First one up, it's called Rug Tufting. We got Winnie the Pooh. It's already been started. Let's see. I only have one color to choose from. Oh, this one has a weird sound that doesn't sound anything like tufting. Okay. Winnie the Pooh is magically appearing here, and also the tufting doesn't have any relationship to the angle of the tufts. Okay, I think I did it. Click next. Oh, it automatically glued it for me without anything. Now I have to hold and cut the rug. Oh my God, it's so fast. Oh, back to Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh is done. Now I need to shave it. Seems like very little control, and nothing that I'm doing seems to have much effect over the actually, but I am 68% finished. This is a really good app for a 5-year-old and teaches you nothing about tufting. Oh my God. Oh, now I get to choose, now it's wall art, or I can choose, throw pillow. I'm gonna choose throw pillow. Epic! I'll try this later. Amazing. With a stolen NFT. All right, great. I'm gonna say no. I'm not claiming the eco bag. No thanks. I don't know why those pants, why there are pants. Okay, I'm done with this app. It's done. I'm out of here. See you later. Next up, we have ASMR tufting. Oh, got a tufting frame. Oh, I'm tufting a turtle. Okay. I've got what looks to be maybe a finished thing at the top. Okay, so I'll choose my color. At least this one sounds like it. Oh my God, that was so fast. Now I'm choosing the lighter red color. Wow, this is pretty amazing, and you're doing a great job. Thank you so much, app. I'm not doing anything really here. I'm just moving my thumb around, and it's decided that to do that. Dark red, I just kind of move it in the general zone. Oh, thank you, sweet. Oh, I don't feel like that was completely done with that. If you see gaps like that in your tufting, you need to really go in and fill it in a little bit more. Also, rotate your machine. This is so dumb. It's not rotating it correctly. Okay. Oh my God, it just filled. I did the outline and it filled the entire middle in. Okay, now I have the brush glued up. Boom. Now I'm cutting it out. It cuts it out perfectly. Now I'm shaving it. This is actually what our shaver looks like. Oh my God, that rug is huge, and now it's in this woman's house. Thank you so much. I'm getting rid of this. On to the next one. Talking about rug DIY. Tap start. Boom. Tufting Superman. Oh, Spider-Man. Geez. This is clearly a ZQ2. I've got no sound. Also, I don't know why it's blue. Maybe I should switch. Oh, now switch colors. It switched the colors that I was already tufted. That's amazing. I wish that would be something I could use in real life. But there is no sound. Tufting machines are loud. Not bad. Oh, it already did the black. It did the black for me. I did not do anything with that. Now we're gluing. This is really, if you're super impatient, this is a really good idea. Now we're flattening out the fabric. Boom. Hold to cut. I mean, this one's like super fast. Trim. Now I'm trimming with what looks to be a green eraser. Also, there's a lot of gaps in there. This is a terrible rug. The back is way cooler than the front. Dumb. Okay, on to the next app, DIY tufting. Oh, we got an avocado. Oh, I got a few to select from. Let's do the lips. A couple of things that are terrible is these balls of yarn. Also, it's loud. Why is it so loud? Balls of yarn. Won't be able to be pulled off properly and fed into the machine. That's critique number one. Oh no, I'm doing the lips black. It's like the machine is directly underneath my thumb, so I can't actually see what the Apparently I'm doing a very goth look here, so I've got black lipstick, and I'm just going to go with pink for the outline. Oh no. Already messed it up. Now I'm going over the black. It's not goth anymore. We are doing pink. My favorite color is pink, so that's fine. Okay. Let's see, what should the outline be? Let's try it in red. Oh, this is legit. Hard to get over in these corners. Okay. Where are those teeth like that? Why is it? It's like $2 teeth. Why are the teeth there? Boom. Done tufting. Oh no. Kind of messed up a little. Wow, this glue is so funny. Why are you having me glue the entire fabric? Oh my god, this is... Wait, why is that fabric, the backing fabric, like that? Okay, now I'm cutting it out. Oh, now I've got to shave it with some kind of yellow shaver thing. Wow, there's a ton of hair coming off of here. It's like literally 2/3 of it's gone. Completed! Kind of messed up the teeth there. It's okay, this is a dumb rug anyway. Next. Moving on to rug tufting. Got some pizza. Alright, what are we doing first? We're doing pepperoni. Got a pepperoni pizza here. There's no sound. Okay, I'm doing the pepperoni. And I need to do the sauce. It's like if I've already tufted a section, it won't let me tuft over it, which is pretty dumb. Okay. I guess this is like yellow cheese. Alright, done. I mean, it kind of looks like a tufting gun. Alright, now we're doing the crust. Crust is going in. Oh, I kind of went out of the line there. I'm going to actually try to care on this one and do a little fix-up. Except it won't let me. Wait, that's a glitch in the app. Like, why is it not letting me go over that? God, these are so dumb. Okay. Nice! Alright, now I'm shaving. Shaving. I mean, there's so much yarn coming off of this. Like, way more than I tufted. In fact, you just shaved your entire rug off. There's, like, a pile on the floor that's, like, 2 foot high. Okay. Perfect. I think I'm going to put it on the floor. Sweet. Now we're doing the last one here. This tufting machine does not have a power cord, so it is, like, magically working without power. Also, this looks nothing like tufting. This one is the dumbest so far. Save the worst for last. This is so bad. There's no lines or anything. What is the deal? Also, the machine doesn't really move, rotate or anything, so I'm just kind of like doing it all in this one place. I'm going to call that good. Like, I want to move on to the red. I guess I haven't done enough of the yellow. It wants me to do more. Maybe I need to go slower. Okay, for some reason it's tufting some red into yellow. I have no idea why. I'm just going to move on to the next and see what it tells me. Oh wow, it's really... Oh, I see. I have to hit next to move on to the next area. Quickly losing patience with this stupid app. Move on to the next. Really like a deckled rug. Okay. Oh, now I'm using Elmer's glue to glue it up. Actually, pretty... Wow, it's the logo and everything. Good job with the Elmer's glue bottle here. The Elmer's glue bottle is the best thing about this app. Next stage. Boom, now we're shaving. No, we're cutting it out. It's the exacto thing. Okay. Boom, frame flips away. Oh, they like it. That's great, I'm done. I'm not taking commission from any of those people. This is Tim. Review of the worst apps on the App Store. Do not download the tufting apps. I really hope you enjoyed watching me suffer.